The 618 and 824 MSP brings you the advantage of having the new optional MAS 350 auto feed. The larger capacity bowl design allows for the insertion of fasteners up to size 3/8 or M10. Multiple part handling in the fastener insertion area can be eliminated with this multi-station press that combines the PLC touchscreen with electronically controlled hydraulics and the turret insertion system, allowing the insertion of more than one type of fastener in one single workpiece handling. The 618 MSPE increases productivity up to 70% over the legendary 618 Plus. The Window Touch 4E includes many new features designed to increase operator efficiency. Some of these include quick and easy tool retrieval, 3-second tool change on the bowl feeder, pre-aligned shuttle platform with integrated air and sensor cable connectors for quick disconnect and reconnect of the shuttle, turret insertion system version 3, and full process control in Station 1, including fastener detection, fastener length detection, and insertion mapping. The OneTouch 4E Lite brings you the advantages of the 824 Window Touch and the productivity of the OneTouch by allowing automatic feeding of 2 different types of fasteners in one single workpiece handling. Some features include easy-to-use insertion logic software, increased productivity of up to 30% over the 824 Window Touch-4, while implementing full process control in 2 stations through fastener detection and fastener length detection, and the dual automatic upper station, which changes the upper tools and insertion stations automatically. The 824 OneTouch 4E includes many time-saving new features, such as automatic feeding of 4 different types of fasteners in one single workpiece handling, increased productivity of up to 50% over the 824 Window Touch-4, while implementing full process control in all 4 stations through fastener detection and fastener length detection, tooling which mounts on the outside for easy access. All bowl controls are integrated within the insertion logic software, quick and easy tool retrieval and shuttle plate mount, automatic loading of lower tools, and 3-second automatic tool change. All of our Dash 4 machines come standard with our quick change tooling, which virtually eliminates any alignment or setup during changeover. Tooling changes can be completed in less than 3 minutes, and all bowl controls are integrated within our insertion logic software, eliminating the need for operators to adjust bowl settings during setup. The 824 OneTouch 4E XYZR is a 4-axis, fully robotic system combining the highest productivity with process control. Up to 6 MAS 350 auto feed systems can be installed, allowing the insertion of up to 6 different pieces of hardware in one single pass on both sides of the workpiece. The XYZR offers 0 errors in the hardware insertion process, as well as unmanned production time of up to 8 hours, depending on workpiece size.